So what is the critical angle of a diamond to air interface? What happens to light if it strikes the interface at angle of incidence of 20.5 degree? What if the angle of incident is 30.6 degrees? So first that we will be doing, let's illustrate this problem. So let's create a two medium layer. So this is, for example, the diamond and air. So an incident ray coming from the diamond. So for example, we have here the incident ray, and the refracted ray is away from the normal. Why away from the normal? Because the diamond is denser than the air. The index of refraction of this diamond is greater or denser than the index of refraction of air. So we have here the incident ray and the angle of refraction. So in here, we are now solving for the critical angle of a diamond-air interface. So as we move the incident ray, the refracted ray will also move farther from the normal until it will reach now the critical angle, which give us the 90-degree angle. Okay, let's now identify the given. So the index of refraction of a diamond is 2.42 and the index of refraction of air is 1.0003. So for our unknown, we need to solve for the angle or critical angle. And for our formula, we can now use the critical angle is equivalent to sine raised to -1 times the index of refraction of air divided by the index of refraction of diamond. So let's now solve for the critical angle. So let's substitute. Ang critical angle is equivalent to sine raised to -1 times the index of refraction of air is 1.0003 divided by the index of refraction of diamond is 2.42. So using your calculator, just input this one. We can now have a value of 24.42 degree angle. So let's now answer the questions. So what happens to light if it strikes the interface at an angle of incidence of 20.5 degrees? Actually, the light will refract or bend. Why? Because this 20.5 degrees, it doesn't reach the critical angle, which has a value of 24.42 degrees. Okay, next question is, what if the angle of incidence is 30.6 degrees? So what will happen to the light? So the light will actually reflect or it will bounce back. Why? Because it reaches, or it is above 30.6 degrees is above the critical angle, which has a value of 24.42 degrees. So